Hey guys, Lamonster here at Lamonster Garage, and we're going to show you another product. It's a kind of a revised product, but we decided that we really like this setup. I've been running it on my F3, and this allows me to run a double strip of LEDs, top and bottom, on the A-arm, and really looks good. Looks good even off. It just fits the bike. This has a nice wide surface, so I can get full coverage on the 3M tape. It's real solid. Runs beautifully bright, which I'll show you right now. So as you can see, it's just a nice bright light. Tell you about this light in a minute, but these two here are going to be a kit, and we're just calling them double A's. And basically, it's twin LEDs on the A-arm, so it's our double A kit. Real easy to wire. I'll show you that. Basically, what all you do is you're going to run your wires up and then through this opening, and it's going to come through here. So this is your connection. So what you're looking for is your customer accessory wire, which this is it right here. It's usually tucked in somewhere back here. It's going to have two 90-degree female spade connectors. We just cut them off and put them right into the lever lock. So there's your power, and then we just run each wire for the A-arm lights to the lever locks. Looks like I just got one loose. I'll fix that real quick. Anyway, that's all there is to wiring it up. It makes it real simple. We're really trying to standardize all our kits. Go with the double LED lights. We really like them. They're real durable. I've had double A, the double row lights on my F3, my 2017, with zero problems on them. It's just been holding up really good. They're really bulletproof, and you'll see more of our wiring kits using that. And of course, the lever locks, we love the lever locks. It's a real clean way to install wiring. And anyway, this is going to be a kit that's available now at lamonstergarage.com, and just look for your double A A-arm light kit. That's it.